Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at logical operators. So first let's just create a new file called logicaloperators.cpp. So logical operators are used to combine different conditions. That means conditions are the statements that we use inside if and else if. So in order to combine different conditions, we use logical operators. There are three basic logic operators in C++. And these are the AND operator, which is represented by two asterisk signs. There's also the OR operator, which is represented by two straight lines. And we have an exclamation mark, which represents opposite or the not operator. So we're going to see how each of these work inside our code example. So we're going to put in our template code first, which is #include iostream. Then we're going to have our main function. And inside here, we're going to have two variables. We're going to declare two variables. Let's just call them A and B. So we're going to initialize A to 2. And we're going to initialize B to 4. And now we're going to have an if statement and we're going to use logical operators. So let's say A is equals to 2. So I believe this is the first time we're using the double equals to sign. It's used to compare two different numbers or two different values. So it's comparing the value of A to the number 2. And we're going to have the AND logical operator. And we're also gonna have another condition, which is B is equals to 4. And in here, we just want to print out go followed by a new line. So what is going to happen here? A equals to 2, that is going to evaluate to true. And B equals 4 is also going to evaluate to true. And how the AND logical operator works is if both conditions are true, go ahead and go inside the if statement. So in this case, since both conditions are true, we should get go. So we're going to save our file and we're going to compile it and we're going to run it. As you can see, go is printed out. What if, for example, one of the conditions weren't true? So let's just set A to 1. And we're going to compile it again and run it. As you can see, nothing gets printed out. That's because the AND operator only works if both conditions are true. So let's just change the AND operator to the OR operator and save our file and run it. First, we're going to compile it. Then we're going to run it. As you can see, go gets printed out this time. That is because the OR operator works if one condition is true. So one condition being true is enough for the OR operator. So in this case, B is equals to 4, which is true, but A equals 1 is false, but it doesn't matter because there's already one true statement, so it will evaluate. So that is how the AND and the OR operator work. Finally, we're going to look at the NOT operator. So let's just get rid of this condition and let's put in A is equals to 1. So this normally is going to evaluate to false and nothing gets printed out. But if we put in an exclamation mark and inside the exclamation mark, we're going to put in the A equals 1 condition. In this case, it's going to take the opposite. So first A equals 1 is going to evaluate to false, but since there's the opposite sign, it's going to change that into true and go is going to get printed out. To see this, we're going to save our file and we're going to compile and we're going to run. As you can see, go gets printed out. So these are the basic logical operators in C++. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily programming videos.